All right, we're gonna make our own vanilla. I bought online some 10 Tahitian extract grade vanilla beans.
Mm-hmm.
It says on here, use 1 ounce of beans for every cup. We've already done the measuring. We're gonna use, what is this, a quart mason jar? What size is it?
I think so.
It was a quart. Okay. This thing says chop the beans into 1/2-inch pieces. Do not try to slice extract grade B beans. Online, it tells you to slice them down the middle and pull the seeds out. So we're not going to do that because apparently you don't slice grade B beans. And then what's the third? Use
Inexpensive name brand vodka, 70 to 90 proof.
inexpensive name brand. Pinnacle vodka, French vodka. I've also got a glass here. I'm going to try some, do a review, and make vanilla at the same time. Sharp knife. I sharpened it.
Did you say where it was grown?
Cutting board. Yeah, they're Madagascar beans, right?
Papua New Guinea.
Papua New Guinea. Not
Papua.
Papua New Guinea. Okay. But wait, but it did say Madagascar, right?
Tahitian.
Tahitian beans from New Guinea. Have a whiff.
Ooh,
nice, right?
Pleasant.
Yeah. Like vanilla. Should be, I suppose.
It almost smells like it has liquor in it.
Already?
Yeah.
Huh. Maybe that's just what we're used to smelling when we smell vanilla.
We were smelling good vanilla.
Maybe, yeah. So I think currently on Amazon, I want to say a bottle is $42 for the big bottle of 16 ounce vanilla extract. That's very expensive. So we looked online and should definitely be making our own. So I guess I'm going to cut one of these the long way just to see the beans inside.
Ooh, they're sticky.
But it says not to cut grade B this way.
I will say I've contemplated buying them in the store inside the jar.
Right.
And these definitely look fresh. They're not dried out. Maybe because they were vacuum sealed in here and you can tell there's a lot of moisture in there still from the beans itself.
They give you a expiration date on them too. I think on the bag. Look at that.
That's lovely. Yeah, I would slice it down the middle.
It says not to do it with grade B beans, but all right, well.
Oh, I wouldn't. Yeah, there you go. Is it sticky?
No, not really. It's like thick mud.
Yeah, that's why they say scrape it out.
Well, these you're just supposed to let soak in here like that.
Yeah, but look, you could see like the little teeny tiny beans on your fingers. This is what the flecks that go into the ice cream and everything.
Right. Now, since we're using Pinnacle vodka, I guess we can call ours...
They're sweet.
Yeah. We can call ours French vanilla.
Does
it says to cut them in 1/2-inch pieces, but the instructions online say to slice them down the middle. We're also kind of doing our own thing with how much booze we're going to use.
Oh yeah, I see what they mean by don't try to slice them.
Why?
Because it's very hard to slice them open.
You cut yourself up?
No, don't cut them anymore like that. Just slice them the long way.
Oh, okay.
Then I can put them in sugar.
Here, I'll do it. Be careful, please. You're cutting right towards your damn fingers. Stop putting your fingers in your mouth.
Not touching. That was the only one that I touched.
So yeah, you can use these after you've made extract in vanilla sugar. So that's the plan after these have sat for 6 months.
Just take them all out, let them dry out, and stick them in sugar.
Stick them in wet. Then the sugar will get all clumpy, huh? That was a good one. I got a 3 slice there. Kind of making the house smell vanilla-y. Good thing I sharpened this knife. I'll be fighting with it.
Good thing we have a nice knife to sharpen.
And a nice sharpener to sharpen it. All right, so all the beans are sliced.
How far did we say we're going?
Filling it up.
Okay.
Pinnacle vodka, France. You can give Yep, smells like rubbing alcohol. A little bit for me. A whole bunch for the vanilla.
No sugar at all.
No, nothing. Straight up vanilla. I mean, straight up vodka and vanilla. Oh! All right. Looks like that's how much vodka we're going to put in there. Just drink the whole bottle. Did it say to shake it? Or just shake it every couple of months?
Shake daily for 1 month.
Shake daily.
Only for 1 month, but we're going to keep it longer
We're
than
going
that.
to keep it longer. Oh, look at the seeds. The beans came out.
Mm-hmm.
They're everywhere.
Nice.
All right. That's it. That's how you make homemade.
Did you taste your...
Oh, taste my Pinnacle vodka here. Yep. Tastes like rubbing alcohol. All right. So that's how you make homemade vanilla extract.
With vodka.
Yep. French vanilla.
Because it was French.
Yeah. Cool. What?
You didn't see what I was doing?
No, I saw you. All right. So we're going to make our own vanilla. Please stop doing that. Doing our own thing with how much booze we're going to use. Because some of them say you can just add more liquor. Really, dog?